Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is, how effective is it to request to push back the deadline for your project brain? And the answer of the question is, requesting to push back the deadline can be effective if you have a good track record, communicate early, and can demonstrate how the extra time will benefit the project. It is crucial to understand your own working style and whether pressure actually aids your performance. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.